FitLab PGH is back with a movement tip and lifestyle hack because we believe that movement should be a lifestyle, not just an activity. Today's a Sunday. Think of one day a week as a fun day, or a shoot the pooch ride, that's a tongue-in-cheek, or a burn the carbon out, or just a fun day where you just get out, you move, you don't really have a goal of how far you're gonna go, how fast you're gonna go, just enjoy the rain in this case, enjoy the dogs, and recognize that movement is a lifestyle, not an activity, and each workout does not necessarily have to have a goal. So move more, move often, and try to move more outside. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from Maggie, Puddin', and FitLab PGH.